Another day, another reselling Q&A. How cute is my jacket? Can I just show you? It's Nike and it is so cute. I have this for sale in my closet. I have another one for sale in my closet. Sorry, I'm like checking out my hair because I colored my hair. Hello, I colored my hair. You guys know I get bored like every 6 months. I'm like, okay, I need a change. Let's do something. So yeah, this jacket is super cozy and fluffy. I love it. I love the color. Like, oh my gosh, it's so cute. I love it. Again, it's for sale in my closet if you're interested. But let's get into the question. First question, did you hear anything about Poshmark rolling out a new feature where they mark inactive sellers listings as not for sale? I've seen some chatter about that on Facebook. I saw something, was it on Facebook or Instagram? I don't remember where, but I did see somebody talk about it, and I'm not sure if that's the truth, if that's what's going on. If it is, that's amazing, because I hate when I go to buy something and then I see that the seller was last active like friggin' a year ago. I feel like it's been a long time coming if they are doing that. There are so many inactive accounts on Poshmark, and I feel like they really need to weed them out. So if that's what they're doing, that's amazing. But I don't know for sure. But I have, it's gonna bug me. I think I saw it on Instagram, somebody talking about it. I don't remember who. Okay, next question. Hi Vanessa, my name is Rachel and I watch your videos literally every day. Thank you, Rachel. I'm starting to relist items that have been sitting for a while, and I'm wondering if it is worth relisting items that already have a lot of likes on them. I'm scared I'll lose a potential sale, but I've already sent out a discounted offers on these items. Thanks. So Rachel, girl, I used to feel the same way. But then I realized likes, you know, they can mean many things. It could mean that somebody just likes the item. They have no intention of purchasing it. It could mean that, you know, maybe they liked it at one time and then lost interest, or, you know, maybe they, I don't know. It could just mean many things. Although I totally understand where you're coming from. You said you've already sent out offers. So, you know, you kind of gave those likers a chance to get the item at a discounted price, and you know, they didn't take it. So yeah, I wouldn't feel bad about relisting it and kind of losing all those likes. I feel like some people are like, oh, my item has a lot of likes on it, you know, I don't want to relist it. It's like, but that doesn't mean anything. That just means a lot of people like it. I don't want people to like my stuff. Well, I do want people to like my stuff, but I want people to buy my stuff. You know, I'd rather have all of my items have 0 likes and be sold than have, you know, a shit ton of items that have a lot of likes, but they're still sitting in my closet, you know? I don't not relist things because, you know, I don't want to get rid of the like. I just don't relist things because it's just time consuming and I got other shit to do, basically. But yeah, that was a long answer, but basically I wouldn't worry about the likes because more likes will come. Hopefully sales will come, not likes. Hopefully sales will come. Hi Vanessa, love watching your videos. Ugh, Mercari. She commented on one of my most recent videos where I was talking shit about Mercari because Mercari is on my shit list right now. I was trying free shipping on there since it costs less to sell on the platform, but recently started having the buyer pay for shipping, but I was wondering how other people do it. Do you have your buyers pay for shipping, and do you just weigh your product beforehand? I stopped free shipping because I recently sent out a package and it cost me way more than anticipated. I don't know why, but I don't really like selling on Mercari and prefer Posh. LOL. I'm going to try selling on eBay and Fab Marketplace. Oh, I think you meant Facebook Marketplace. Okay, so when I first started Mercari, I offered free shipping on everything because, you know, you're right. The fee to sell on Mercari is only 10%, whereas on Poshmark it's 20%. But if I offered free shipping, it kind of evens out, I've noticed. So I no longer offer free shipping. I make the buyer pay for shipping. And as far as like weighing things, I've been doing this for, you know, a couple years now. So I know generally what things weigh. So I don't really have to weigh anything, but I do have a scale. I would recommend getting a scale. You can get them on Amazon for like 20 bucks, I think. I think I paid like 20 or 30 bucks for mine. Question, have you ever made an offer to someone and then had them turn around and buy the item for full price? Yes, that's actually happened to me multiple times. It's good when it happens, you know, if you can get a full price sale, it's always good to get full price sale. I do feel bad when it happens because I'm like, oh, this person could have bought it for cheaper, but then I feel good because it's more money for me, you know, so it's kind of like but yes, that has happened to me multiple times. Question, I get this question so often, does having a lot of followers mean that you have a lot of sales? Okay, so if I'm just answering that question, no, just because somebody has a shit ton of followers doesn't mean that they make a shit ton of sales. There's definitely things that go into it. You know, you can't have a ton of followers on Poshmark and not do anything on there, you know, as far as like sharing and setting offers and stuff, and then expect to get sales just because you have a ton of followers. No. But kind of on the flip side, I do tell people that I think you should try to get as many followers as possible because, I mean, in my eyes, it's just common sense. The more followers you have, the more potential eyes that are on your closet. I know a lot of resellers would be like, no, follower count doesn't matter. No, don't waste your time following people. And yeah, I don't agree with that. I mean, don't make following people, you know, don't put it above sharing, for instance. So yeah, to answer your question, just because someone has a lot of followers does not mean that they make a lot of sales. There are other things that go into it, you know, like sharing and being active on the app, sending out offers, etc. Think about your Poshmark closet as like a real store. You know, would you rather have 20 people come into your store or 200 people come into your store? You know, would you rather have 20 followers or 200 followers? Because those are all potential eyes on your closet, potential sale. Again, a lot of people argue that, but I do agree with not putting following people above other things, but I do think that following people and trying to get followers should be something that you do to grow your business. Absolutely. That is it for this video. I hope I answered your questions. If you have any other questions, you can comment down below. Send me a DM on Instagram or tweet me on Twitter. If you're new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is KeepinItRad. You get a $10 credit and I also get a $10 credit. So thank you. That's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.